welcome back. Today we're going to make something so simple and so delicious and really chocolatey. We're going to make some chocolate muffins today. These are so easy and they taste absolutely delicious. The ingredients what you will need are 200 grams of all-purpose flour maida, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 50 grams of cocoa powder, 120 grams of sugar, 2 large or 3 small eggs, 125 grams of butter, room temperature, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, approximately half a cup of milk, room temperature, 50 to 100 grams of dark compound chopped. It depends if you want a light chocolate filling in the muffins or you want lots of chocolate. I obviously want lots of chocolate, so I have taken 100 grams. If you want the measurement in cups, please refer to the description box. So let's get started. First, we're going to combine all the dry ingredients together, which is flour, the baking powder, the cocoa powder, and finally the sugar. Now we're going to mix it until it's well combined. I have lined my muffin tray and we are going to preheat our oven to 180 degrees. Now our dry ingredients are well combined, so we're going to add in the eggs. Now we're just going to mix until the eggs are combined. Now we're going to also add in the butter. And we're going to mix that also. Now we're also going to add in the vanilla extract. Now we are also going to add in the milk gradually. The batter is supposed to be firm, but it should have a consistency where it slowly comes off of the spoon. It smells so good because of all of the cocoa powder already. Now I'm just going to add in a bit more milk to get the right consistency. Now I feel that I've got the right consistency. It is still firm, but it also comes off. This is the consistency that you should get. And this consistency, it also comes out of the scoop, so now you know it's the right consistency. Now we're going to add in the chocolate for the last step. Now the chocolate chunks are mixed in well, so we're going to fill them into our muffin tray. As usual, we are only going to fill the muffin liners halfway because it's still going to rise. So I've gotten exactly 12 muffins with the batter. Now all it takes is 15 minutes and our delicious muffins are ready. Before you take the muffins out, just check the toothpick or skewer to see whether there are crumbs on it. If not, then they are ready. It's been 15 minutes. Let's take out the muffins. All we have left to do is let it cool down and then we'll taste it. Now the muffins are cooled down, let's taste them. Let's see how chocolatey they really are. They taste absolutely so chocolatey and delicious. They are so easy to make and take a really short amount of time. I hope all of you guys can try this recipe. See you until next time.